could not see, the hugs we could not feel, the activities that were halted, all the things COVID would steal.
As human beings, we're social creatures, and our connection to others enables us to survive and thrive.
We help those go to the next level and apply to their communications, specifically internal and external.
Today we will be cooking chicken curry.
Spring is a wonderful time to eat and to invent stuff, see? And that's it.
And it was like, at the backyard boogie. Come on and do the boogie woogie. Can you do the boogie woogie with me like this?
And down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me say this. I'm going to give you options and opportunities, and you get to make choices that feel good for you.
Now, we're going to finish off with 20 seconds of the helicopter, just like this.
I make giant, ridiculous cartoon cutouts that I hide all over the city.
Most things come from being able to do that cascade throw.
And I really like to draw my socks with the rolled cuff. It's just fun.
You know, and then the stabbing is like, it makes me feel like it's like a zit or a pimple that you're gonna pop or something.
Whoa, this alien has such big eyes. They must be able to see so well.
I'm Poison Waters, wishing you all a happy Pride and a wonderful summer. See you later.